If you're having problems with your BOSE Solo Soundbar, then resetting it may fix the problem. So to reset it, all we have to do is unplug it from the power for at least 1 minute. So let's unplug it and let's leave it 1 minute. Then after the minute is done, all we have to do is plug it back in, listen for the 2 audio beeps that lets you know that the system has power again, and hopefully that will fix simple problems. The problem with these is that loads of them are failing because of issues on the motherboard, and by resetting it is not going to fix if you have a problem with the motherboard. But if it's just got a bit locked up, then of course unplugging it and plugging it back in again will fix it. So let's just leave this a minute. Right, a minute's up, so now we're going to plug it back in and listen out for the beeps. There we go, 2 little beeps, and now if we were to turn it on, you will see that we have the green light again, and it should be working fine. Thanks for watching.